GH and when you go so I will share. Meeting Edna na ama owusa na ma kwaba shonko send so what you would dra I will be share the air cost my ganemu away a channel you so. Now from weeks now no me update you on stories are surrounding man beefa. One more year old social media me sister Afia Eno Barony any ebiam to no feeder rhymes. Now akwa say baby abedu na say competition mema do ho agim esi ade nye man kwa de mema no bi edo mo ho abagim na enche bia na Eno Barony bra Medikal ye na dwen say ensema woka fa no e wo argument dan ni mu no wo beba out abe address enu to release banner bi e won social media page Instagram page besides say wo be bo enyum and so be reply this song with nonsense. Now what the two and check within like 5 minutes no na Eno Barony so at the banner beto a banner ni mu no wono amu nim edam boom ebiem so no sister Debbie so enim dran chen ban ebiem so Strongman so enim dan chen ban to say na emu aye dem pa no wo tro say force them to play nonsense and no na say nkofo aye aggressive so ombehu the nkofo me anyway o make come up with and check na Medikal releasing nonsense now to say nonsense meaning say the fear of Eno Barony and now said dear na so e wo Medikal dream ma say wo bo Eno Barony ni chem so pa de wanye bisa argument down one some accusations say they carry in and one attempt because so be ka bako and so be address say e wo nonsense enwum no e wo emu na ebiem no do address say e wo nwum no DKB and allegations so they be two down na say ni revelation betu da efa na warrior or warrior fela maka free ehun eni ebiem so no ekiapim polo atese hu de nti o de ne kraba this ni wa onim say ekiapim polo nya rapper ontimi e reply na Ghana for bebre wo mutie Medikal deliver am ka say we dey work Medikal wa nya de kra wa kire say o very weak those say wa je best rapper o Ghana ha say power gini di o de born ho asafo hin no still na de oye will be a deso best rapper will be keke from nowhere aside oba adeso na be reply and someone can ehun na senti ko foka say Medikal on nonsense track no na week and be messiah work and unti as we release nonsense no period na ko for doing so okay say one address Eno Barony kwenti one have force them to play nonsense no one fan ma because say this song to her and ko hu be here say would also ever reply na say anko this song amano and say yan refer no e what this song ni munti na hu nya say wono ever reply nti yet to Oscar obi agree figure say what that say obe force them to play nonsense oh yen ko hwe and rather oh na the fidem grind we release force them to play nonsense now we release no yen wo hwe ko for no mo nyum no one more delivery say no me ko like how me go about the this no we will say fella the rival the biggest rival say sister Debbie no wo gina mu dan who answer the sweet earth abe pim wo Strongman so you nim say for some time ago no na wo Medikal ne this hate BIast say no more exchange this is social media dem so rap mu you nim say Strongman already wa kill Medikal dada but no more settle beef no and say Strongman to be deliver on so something else no na after the Ghana for yehu de airport yehu de because that you nim say enka or address Eno wo mu anke be no the floor so those back no what we are hating hard at Medikal but no addressing the quality now they coming back with the for them to play nonsense ni who say be ye enu te ba ya sister Debbie Eno Barony any Strongman no dey ask as Afrobeat crampo no dey nyum na after Ghana for ya basa na no and as we say Ghana had the beef ba yeah fans no yeah na judges no yeah take mark oh we punchline okay we address fine okay we are there we na actually we na say enu ti you say Medikal there work nonsense near work na force them to play nonsense emra na emeti say okay maybe killer beat be killer punchlines be eba don't akwaye Afrobeat danceable song agana fire basa no mu do mutas but still na be say oh there are say Eno Barony wo flow nkwa there oh why there wa hit a punchline but Ghana has say celebrities so any aba this we want to one so mo do no atumu be now the latest person on sabe kasa afa force them to play nonsense and nyom no Queen Afia Schwar now one of the other betu done they will say obi a wono wa happy eno say a happy eno ewo ono akasa ne platform edu eno ato ho aye sister Afia so ato ho no organize vote na wo say Eno Barony winning more votes say ono the best rapper ama sister Afia kwa lose poto no we expect say Eno Barony beba no hit hard that say every day the bia or the beba out the be stronger than the previous one no was say force them to play nonsense here Eno Barony and a feature Strongman, a feature sister Debbie Edia baby who ye cast trash who beats harder a trash a whack I say uncle ye cry and tally and fa like cry then now we expect no and you no be ena e buy nti Eno Barony any strong man ni ebiem so sister Debbie no oma feel big time say one mo your margin say medical and no mo di way this year and no mo do baby because one lines one punch lines one rhythm say na flow ne kwani nya no trash bibia enkoye na say na wo caption ni video de ebetu a waka ho ensem say oh no but why call the musicians and their dance here the discipline committee wants to find out whose idea it was and it say they say they head say na dem ko no on be say omuhu they behind force them to play nonsense no or the idea anybody rap lines or the punch lines or force them to play nonsense no they buy anyano or they say oh no marking here because I did and the delivery it was so poor it was therefore you go video ni buy ba ya start eden komono atwaso and queen Afia just nigga ede atwo no see we whack trash she ni mo say Strongman crowd and near himself Strongman they were rapper and just obi na no kasa and this head on point ono crowd they obetuma kasa ya de kakra okay partially we ya there na Eno Barony wa hyping on the page sa Eno Barony make kasa the dey buy crowd there oh no fala na sister Debbie crowd also want tia se crampo dey into video because who the sister Debbie here the upper kire e video na we and the first stay video we can say we nya we chire na Ghana forecast na if you just the guardian no okay then no patch ade punch medical force them to play nonsense me want ana that be want ana that be say so ya a hypocrite na only medical da for ana because of medical wedding asenti and I said the officer ungu sister Debbie Strongman any Eno Barony in masara because when you say who tell you how to so address medical issues baby room to say punch lines no any killer na wanya de because medical po NSN ko blame so no kra dey work in a week because medical na you so your rapper your best rapper and go with me about out na ko be hit nyama hard no ba your dey number be in some enfal line wo ma address some campo no wo mu need that capacity to reply back now address some na afede don ga ko no oni nya beef campo na up coming back no campo na send ko your friend work na so be friend no ba on trash no kwa dey and send fata e bi musu ka say oh if you something you can say na kwan so no because na ekwan bia nda ho ma Eno Barony say obey force them to play nonsense because medical ball nonsense this song no one should addressing into after they were killing Eno Barony chances so the paper coming up and Ukraine force them to play nonsense na chair because now I hyped it that I say medical back out na nka wonu so release to us na nka say asemesi but say medical addressing into na ma you be a slow system ninti enunti na force them to play nonsense. They're coming out like a danceable song. It's the if you just take unforgettable crana. So now Oma Kele Adiano. Now here are some of the comments I got for the Abetuja Efa yes Fia Shosnega name sema what they Abetuja Efa force them to play nonsense. The latest this song Eno Barony a release featuring sister Debbie and a strong man. Enchibwe Sako Felix Edia whatever say you are the trash or say if Fia Shosnega where the men can say be cry. Right men kasa men fa no emeto ensem wenu na wo krampo no ye hu wo de enkem wie ye ntime me kasa kra na abnadu fie so de a ode abosi o fa wasem eso honum who made you a judge in a rap song are you a rapper now ono su ebisa first as nega asem say masa obian friend say won fa na no entum we enye na asem enye ni industry enye ni criteria enye ni area ene ya be kasa ho enu nti woyi na no emfri mu krampo we su efri Emmanuel Kari ono so de say Abruwe cry is disturbing us. If you talk, please check what you say, okay? This is young people doing their things. Rap is a flow for the young ones. Please don't bring your you have one lifestyle and thoughts in it. On also try say if you man say if you should nigga when you penny power when you fi and found be for nkwala agro home one more year this year we susha one year nkwala have the rhymes to grandpa still now to say no who credit susha still no young one year susha and until rap game no eye nkwala no mo do ma no atum enye penifo to ka me fi wanu metum and find 7 for home the ule mu penifo sem no betimi aka na jai eye Eno Barony mu any Strongman ne sister Debbie ni omo maka no mo nyom beef enfo wa no kra enkofa ho no mame fa eye commenter etwato efia no kwa dia wode about thing. I agree with you. Everything that they did in that song was trash. Sister Debbie should stop disgracing herself more by involving herself with people dissing her ex. If she's truly over Medikal, she should just move on and stop playing this stupid game in the industry. Honestly, when you say I'm passing if you should think I can say trash because Sister Debbie can only say come find home for in same way home yeah beef you me bubo ni dia can as am find him betre wo mon yum ye nti o nti no say sa no be maintain because maturity and who ni say and Sister Debbie put it up. Now all of a sudden we do akodom Eno Barony say abejo na ama wo bi ehun say still now we need medical chi enye fine when you and to move on say medical no we join now mpeni bi ma mbo bi ehun say no ho asem kra emfa ho kra for nyama eye related to him no obi am for the name so say is the tear that say sweet as asem bacho just so kra na pe baby et na me fa de chato kra chato yes Cynthia dia ono so e dia best see say Strongman pa the way I believe him pa his flow was so low or he they fear Medikal because he has already mended their beef. Well, I don't understand why they even joined him to the women's days. He's a man, he shouldn't have agreed to join or even feature in the song. Also when he say Medikal na town for the former town for Strongman na hu nya say we don't know ba for in same way because ono Medikal me say so muntemasem wo munya atanfo bi mo bi fi bi and it ba ne sen and all of a sudden wo maye beef na man na tese say ya nsem mo na ya fro se be kan wa na wo be ma pa wo fere agese na osado ho abehye mbiem o si we won hu so ye kra we hu ye and nti a Strongman menya sa biem na wo ya hwere fan ba ko sana Cynthia patch e buza for because me kwa comment ma making kan kwa ma mre ebedi and nti me be si ha na me ma kwa ya medi dwumedi ni esi na so hye so me aduma ye be sa edi nhemu biem na ansa na me ko no wo so adwem bi a wo fa eye and some if there's a snake able to do bet me to draw too much age your comment section they be able to know who bet me who quite so be share video and the mad of for be or no so yes and terminal any so too much age say that your Instagram bet me affluent Instagram at too much age underscore me din Edinana ama Owusu Macron.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asodin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ne ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na ubenya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na ura